Hello artists, and welcome to Creativity Time with Julia Major. If you enjoy making art, I hope that you like and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing hidden pictures and I Spy scenes. Let's get started. I used a white plastic bin top as a background for my picture find, and that's helpful for two reasons. One, it gave me a nice clean background, and also because I was a bit worried about lighting, this meant that when it came to taking the picture, if the lighting wasn't right, I could just move it to another part of the room without moving around all my items. You can fit more in a picture find if you use small items, and the more items in your picture find, the trickier your picture find will be, and also the more dynamic. So it's good to pick things that are small. Now is a great time for all those tiny little knickknacks you have in your room that are tough to find a place for. You can use tiny little action figures like this dog, natural items like seashells. You can make your picture find have a theme, such as nature, things from a trip, art supplies, tickets and trinkets, types of money, or it can just be a hodgepodge of different things you enjoy. In fact, one of the most fun picture finds, I think, is either one that just reflects you as a person and things you like, or is made for a friend that you're missing, and it's things that remind you of them. So you could put tickets from events that you've gone to together, or sports teams that you both like, things that your friend gave you or made for you. Barrettes are another great thing that you can use in little pieces of jewelry. This is just a really fun way to play around with objects and composition, and to make artwork that's for you, but also that you can share in a fun way with someone else so they can work on the studio habit observe. When you're writing your clues, in a lot of picture find books, they make the clues rhyme, but it's okay if they don't. When you're looking for rhymes, a trick that you can use is to think of one object you want to rhyme with, and then just go through the alphabet and see what words rhyme with it. So for instance, I could start with bear, and then I could say, oh, the letter A, air. Then the letter B, of course, is bear. And then I get to care. So already that could give me a lot of ideas, and just go through the alphabet like that. Or look at a rhyming dictionary is another option. And when you're looking at your picture find, see if you can find things that repeat. So I notice there's more than one star, there's more than one set of hearts, there's more than one bear. Look for those connections to help you make your clues. Once you've made your photo, you can also use it as a chance to practice observational drawing if you like. So after taking the photo, if there's a few items that you want to draw with pen or pencil, it can be a nice opportunity for that. So instead of photographing, you can also draw a picture find. Here I've started to draw a snail, and I'm working in little items. You can just draw your main item first, and then work in the little things you want. Like if I wanted to put in a carrot, and then you can draw other lines around it to hide it. You can also do something that has more literal hiding things in it. So for instance, draw a picture where you draw cats that are hiding, or an image that's just like the sort of I Spy photo that we took earlier, and just draw that. There's a lot of different possibilities. You don't have to do this with drawing. It could be collage, it could be a painting, whatever medium speaks to you, you can use. And all of these can help your fellow artists practice the habit of observing by looking at them. I hope you have fun with your hidden picture art, both making it and sharing it. If you've enjoyed Creativity Time with Julia Major, I hope you like and subscribe. Thanks for coming, and have a very colorful day.